Hello, welcome. My name is Veldboom, and this is another video of this Veldboom Studios YouTube channel. Exciting announcement to make today. Our first build of our video game is now actually live on our website. Very exciting moment for me. I can't wait to just show you, so let me not waste any more time and actually get into it. Please visit veldboomstudios.com. I'll also make sure to leave a link in the description below, and then you will be meted by our website right here. The fastest way to get to the actual download page is to go to projects, scroll down here to the Isle of Eline, and then you can click on it, go to that project page, and then from here you will see that click here to download, and then here we have the link for the Isle of Eline. Also, if you want to make sure to stay updated to our latest version, also please leave us your email address right here, so then we can always make sure we send you the newest link if we update anything. And then here you have a fast description of everything. But without wasting any more time, click on the download link. Then you will be going to our Google Drive link, and then you can hit download right here. I already downloaded it, so I don't really need to do it at the moment. And then you will be greeted by a folder like this, and then you can press on the Isle of Link with the Unreal Engine icon right there, the application file, and then the game will open. So at the moment, I don't know if it is the case. I think so. As soon as we open the game, then you don't really have any mouse cursor or anything left. So there's no input controls. So what I do to fix it, and we're gonna update it and fix it. So this will only be a first release thing. But as soon as you hit the Windows button on your keyboard, then you get your mouse and everything back, and then you can press a new game, and then you'll be good from there. So the first thing you will do is that you'll actually have the game to play, and then everything will load in. And then the controls are actually W for forward, A is for left, S is for braking, and D is for right turn corners. And then you'll actually have a small racing game. And this is the actual car that I'm also building in with the 3D printers and everything at the moment. So we've built the racing game to kind of start to simulate and also to create a community for the car that we have at the moment. But this digital world will become way more in the future, but stay tuned for that process later on. So here also you can hear the notifications going when we actually go through the checkpoints. That is very important if you don't want to end up having to redo a lap again. So also make sure to always kind of hit those checkpoints. You see the blue translucent arrows kind of going through the screen and everything. And then I'll just set a base lap time so that you can see kind of what the process also is once you finish the race and everything. So you'll do 2 laps, and then you also have a small guide already through the island. So right here we're driving through our solar energy park basically. And then also on the island we'll monitor how much power we're generating based on the weather conditions and all that type of stuff, so we're trying to really look into creating those sophisticated systems and everything for digital twinning applications. And now as you can see, by pressing the left shift button, I can hit the nitrous button, and also you can see in the right bottom section of the screen the meter going up again, so the nitrous is building. And then we're braking again for the first turn. And also here to the left you can see the mansion that I'm building at the moment. You can see a friend of mine who put a 3D scan of him in the video game just as a little Easter egg, but stuff like that. If you have the freedom to do stuff like that in a video game, why not? And then here we can see also the first houses for the Isle of Eline actually being built for the first time. Damn, that's gonna mess up my round. But also now those are going to be published through the same video gaming system. So for everybody who's been waiting patiently, my apologies, but with building the car and everything, it was just not possible to get everything done with the moment, with the time that we had. But now we're actually getting to the point where we have a strong team. These guys are helping me out tremendously, so this also would not be possible without them. So I'm very grateful for everything that they've contributed, and that we're also going to set to do in the future. So there's a lot of game development things coming that I'm just extremely excited about and can't wait to announce. But I'm gonna be patient in just a little bit. And then now we're heading through the final checkpoint, and then I've set a time of 2 minutes 26. I've already done it to 17, so you got some time to kind of catch up. And then we're actually getting to the stage where we have this garage setup. So as soon as you finish the race, you will end up here, and then we can also go back to the racing again or upgrade the car. So you can go to your engine settings, and then you have 20,000 credits to spend by default. So you can kind of choose how you want to upgrade the car, or you can go through the brakes. So those are the first functionalities that we're coming up with. Also with customization, we don't have the colors and the wheels in there yet, but this is kind of just to give a hint to what we're building at the moment. But as soon as you kind of press on the body, then you will be able to then change these colors and also be able to race with the car in those colors. And then we're going back again, and then you can also return to the main menu. And for now, also that is something that is important to tell you. If you maybe don't have like the fastest computer in the world, this is also now only built for Windows computers, by the way. So unfortunately, we're gonna also make it for hopefully iOS systems and your phone and all of that type of stuff. But this is just the first release initially that we made in a very short period of time to kind of get everything together this way. So if you do have like a smaller computer setup, then you can kind of tone the game down within these resolution and texture settings and everything. And then also here we have the credits. So this is the team of wonderful people that kind of came together to help me out with this video game. So it's been a blessing to kind of work with these guys, and you know, been able to also help hopefully kind of set in motion something bigger in the future that wouldn't be able to be accomplished without kind of the infrastructure that we're building here at the moment. So just expect a whole lot more from us in the very near future to come, and I just can't wait. So for the moment, also just a small announcement, everything that we're working on is to also make sure that this is becoming like an open world game where you can walk through the island with all freedom that you would like. So that is also the next thing that we're actually adding to the video game itself. And then from that point forward, you'll also be able to kind of visit museums and different places, and you know, just make it like a real interactive like environment. Next coming like updates and stuff, we're just gonna try to do maybe like weekly or otherwise like twice a month or something. But just make sure to keep tuned, and also make sure to put your email down to the list so that we can also keep you up to date on our latest version. And that is basically it for this video. I'm terribly excited to announce that now the Isle of Eline is actually live. And also please make sure to leave a comment if you downloaded the video game. We'd love to learn like what we should add, also what your perspective on it is and what you would like to see next from us. My name is Veldboom. Thank you for watching. I'm out.